everybody and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Sorry if you guys can hear my dogs, as I say in almost every one of my videos. They are running up and down my stairs like wild men, like cavemen, just clunking up and down my stairs. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, I am so happy that you are here. If you are new, please, if you would, like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, oh, and like I said in my last video, I am wearing the same shirt. It is the same day because I have a lot of boxes to get through, so I'm just doing a couple of them today. So I'm still wearing the same plain black shirt. But anyways, again, hope you guys are doing well. Today we have a unboxing, of course. Today we have my Birchbox. This came in the mail a couple days ago, I do believe. I can't remember how much Birchbox is, but I will leave all of the information down below in the description box because I cannot remember how much this is a month. But I will leave everything down below so you guys will have all the information. So with that being said, let's just get into this box and see what we got. I have no idea what is in here. I have not seen any spoilers whatsoever. Haven't opened the box, nothing. So let's get into this and see what we got. Alright, well there's one little strip. I don't know why they make these boxes like impossible to get into. Oh, I still got one more side. Okay, now it is open. So I first opened up the box, and inside the box is another box. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's like it looks like a desert to me, and like a sunset and some water maybe. I could be completely wrong. And on the back it says magic inside, if you guys can see that. I think that's really cute. So let's get into this box and see what's in here. So the first thing I see is the card, and it says snapshots from summer, soak it in. This month we're savoring the last moments of sweet summertime and reflecting on some highlights from the sun-filled season. And then it has all of the items on the back, what their full-size prices would be. So we will read that as we go along. But here is the little card. I think it's really cute. It feels really good quality, actually, but I think it's really cute because I like the summer theme. Alright, so I'm seeing a lot of little bitty items, but we will get in here. The first thing I see is Lumiere de Hiver Super Comb Prep and Protect High Performance Hair Care. It is a help strengthen, repair, and last summer's too many weekends in Rio hair. Leave-in conditioning aid to help detangling for all hair types. Helps provide collar protection, which is really good because, as you guys know, in my video before this or before that, a couple videos ago, I showed you guys that I did get my hair chopped off. And I'm trying to make it healthy again. So this little guy will definitely come in handy. It is a leave-in conditioner. And it has like this little alligator guy on here. I think he's super cute. Let's read about this. This says, if I can find it. Here it is. Super Comb Prep and Protect. The full size of this little guy is $32. Not this. This isn't $32, but the full size is $32. It says shield your strands from heat damage and UV rays with this leave-in conditioning mist made with natural hydrates like black currant and soy yogurt. Spritz on the hair, then comb. Let's try it out. Because I do have my Sugar Bear hair brush up here. So let me get it. That thing's powerful. Ooh, that smells amazing though. That smells real good. I don't want to spray a lot in my hair because I'm afraid it'll just like make it go like this. But we'll just spray just a little bit. This smells so good. I can't describe. It just smells clean to me. It does make my hair really soft. So I would definitely be using this. I will use anything for my hair right now. Sorry about my voice. It's like on the brink of just leaving me. But that is the first thing we got in our box, this leave-in conditioner. Alright, the next thing I'm pulling out is Malin and Gotes Grapefruit Face Cleanser. A grapefruit extract And here is the packaging. It's just white with some blue lettering on it. And this says the amino acid base cleanser is made with naturally antibacterial grapefruit to prevent blemishes while hydrating. Glycerin and sodium PCA soften the skin. And if you was to get the full size of this would be $36. So I like to smell things. So, and it does have a safety seal on it. If I can get this little guy off of here. I always just want to just gnaw into it with my teeth, but I know that's really bad for my teeth. So, alright, we'll just see what this face cleanser is like. Ooh, it smells like grapefruits. It is just a clear liquid or cleanser. So I will definitely clean my face and see how this works. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. A few months back, I think it was, I used a new cleanser and my face just freaked out when I got all these little bumps on my chin and my cheeks, and it was awful. But this stuff does smell really good. It smells like grapefruits. So there's that we got in our box. The next thing we got is a LOC. I don't know what this is. It's in the shade Champagne Problems. It is a shadow stick. Okay, I don't have any shadow sticks. I have never used a shadow stick. This is Love of Color One and Done Shadow Stick in the shade Champagne Problems. This waterproof shadow stick is a versatile silvery taupe shade that delivers up to 11 hours of creaseless color. No brushes, blenders, or primers needed. That sounds pretty good if it lives up to all that. We'll see what this looks like. Does this have a safety thing on it? No. Okay. So this is what the little pencil looks like. And we'll just swatch it here on my thumb. Ooh, that's really pretty. I don't know if you'll be able to, let me swatch it somewhere else. It is just like a silvery color. That'd be a really pretty shadow. It is just a very silvery, it's right here on my hand. It's so hard to see in the light. But there we go. It is just a silver shade. I really do like that. Like I said, I've never used a shadow stick, so I would definitely be giving this a go. The next thing we have in our little box is Winky Lux Disco Kitten Gloss. And this stuff looks shiny. This says, oh, and the face, did I say that? The face cleanser, the full size price, if you was to buy the full size of the face cleanser, is $36. This little guy is Disco Kitten Gloss in the shade Far Out. Swipe on the shade shifting gloss packed with smooth glitter particles that transforms into prismatic perfect for your pink. Huh. And if you was to buy the full size of this, it is $14. So this is what it looks like. I absolutely love it just because it's glittery, but it is super glittery and it is purple and it has like a purpley pink cap on it. And actually I think I'm going to try this one on. Oh, the doe foot's pink, but the stuff is purple. Here's the doe foot, which is pink, and the little stuff inside is purple glitter. So actually, I am going to put this on and see what it looks like. I wish I had my mirror. And we'll see. It does actually turn your lips pink. It's like a pinky shade and it's super glittery. I wonder if I can swatch it on my hand if it shows up pink. Yes, it does. So like the more that you rub this, like when you first put it on, it's purple and it's just glitter. And then as you keep rubbing, it turns into this pink shade. That is really cool. I am very intrigued by this little guy. If I find that I really like this, I will end up buying the full size of it because this is really cool that it's purple, but then it turns pink. So it's like color shifting. Really like this guy. Anyways, the last thing that we have is the Oscar de la Renta Bella Blanca et de Parfum. And the full size of this is between $75 and $95. This is what the little box that it comes in looks like. And it just says, spritz on the soft floral fragrance made with freesia, jasmine, and creamy sandalwood for a feminine and timeless touch. So we will give this thing a sniff, and that bottle looks real pretty. Here's what the full-size bottle looks like, and it looks real pretty. So we will give this a sniff and see. It does have a little spritzer. It's just in a little spritzer bottle. So we'll smell this. Ooh, that's strong. That is very strong. It kind of reminds me of men's cologne more than a woman's perfume. But maybe I'll let it die down a little bit because I like sucked it all in and like swallowed some of it, I think. But it is very strong. It is super strong. And like I said, it reminds me more of a man's cologne. Sorry, my dogs just went barreling down my stairs. It's kind of dying down. It's very florally, but it also has, like I said, that men's cologne kind of scent to it. It's not bad. It's not my favorite, but it's not too bad. It's not the worst. But there's that perfume, and that is all that we have in the box. I will add up the values and see how much this box is worth with my handy dandy little calculator. Alright, so we've got 36, 10, 32, 75, and 14. So the total value of this box, well, for the if they came in full size items, would be $167. That's the full size. These are obviously not full size, but I am really happy with this Birchbox. I have only gotten, I think, two others. I'm not for sure, but I haven't been getting Birchbox very long, and at first I'm like, I don't know if I like it, should I cancel it? But actually this box I am very impressed with. So if you guys get Birchbox, please let me know if you guys like it, what you guys think of it, what is your thoughts and opinions on Birchbox. With that being said, that is all that I have for this video. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!